doing this to us?
Oh, you know, lad.
Pat.
Ding ding! Give the train a prize!
No, you can't be here. You died. It's over.
Over? Ha! Not by a long shot. It'll just get worse and worse until you come face me and we settle this once and for all. Unless you're scared, you big blue bollocks.
I'm not scared of you. Just name the place.
Excellent. I'll see you then.
On my way, Pat.
Come.